Okay, that looks good. I'm just going to put a bit of scent on it. What is this? Bloodworm. Bloodworm Pro Cure. Stings to high heaven. Try not to get it on your clothes. Thank me later for that piece of advice. What do we got here? Alright, that's it. Now throw it in the water, then the scent comes off it. What do you need a Bream? Be helpful. Alright, so we've got a 1/20th hidden weight with a Zman grub in Gudgeon. I'm just going to throw this for a bit, and I may switch over to a bloodworm in Bay Junkie, which I really like as well. So there's no, in my opinion, the grub is the grub has the most action on the drop of any lure. Because you've got, I don't know, it pulled out a bit then, didn't it? It's terrible. Why did it do that? Nothing had it. Alright, last one here, then we're going to go around these hard workers. So we're trying to get the fish that are feeding on oysters, obviously. Alright. Actually going the wrong way. Alright. I wonder if it just comes out further. I suppose it would have to. Alright. We're back. How about a fish? Oh, that was on the, I think that was on the, on an oyster or something. Do you know what you're doing? You've been fishing long? Probably not. Where'd that go? Not far enough. I wonder if the... No, it's still okay. Oh my god. Oh, that's a good one. Finally. He's fighting really hard. Haven't really given him much. So I do have a heavy gauge hook on. Yeah, he's a good fish. Where's my net? Where is the... Yeah, he's good. Oh, he's engulfed that. Solid net. So that's on the Zman. Yeah, probably why I thought so. Oh, come on, mate, just I'll get it out. No, I do have pliers, don't I? Yes. Please don't knock my rod into the water. Got it. Okay. There he is. Watch him swim off. There we go. Oh, bleeding a bit, wasn't he? Right on my leg as well. He's alright. making a lot of mess here. Okay. I'll just give you a look at the... So this is Gudgeon as opposed to motor oil, as opposed to bloodworm, as opposed to watermelon red. It's a little bit more subtle. And I just thought it would match the watercolor a little bit better. So check that one out. I'll leave a link in the description to it, and I'll leave it link to in the description. Can't speak English. To the jig head that I'm using. Alright, so that's cool. Once you get your first fish on the board, it really does everything. It does well. Does everything. Once you get your first fish on the board, it's really good for your confidence. It's good that you know. Well, you sort of know you're on the right track. He fought really hard. He actually ate that on the drop, I assume. I'm not a competent plastics fisherman, so yeah, if you want to give me any tips, feel free to comment below. Look at that, that's like a football. I've got a football in the... It's weird, dude. Alright. I'm gonna chuck one up those. I can't believe how much scent, like Rexia, not Rexia, but how slippery it makes everything. So I'm just aiming at that and pipes going down, just because it's a little bit of structure. And I'm gonna reef one up there. See if I can get a good one out of there. Would be nice. You think that's where they'd be? No, I hope that didn't get stuck on the oysters. No, it's a should be alright. Yep. Cool. Just looking for that little tick. I'm going to smash it and wind like crazy. Disappointing, man. Really disappointing. Anyway, so school holidays, eh? My kids are on school holidays now. It's always a fun time. Ah, disappointing in that. I really thought we'd get a fish there. Usually do. Right, what are we doing here? Anyone? What if we throw one? What if we throw one along here? Surely there's a fish in here. Oh, which way are you going? Terrible. When you're fishing canals like this, and you've got a lot of structure around you, I think it's really important that you have your drag relatively tight. Just because you don't want to let the fish get its head down and put you into the structure because it's so close. So there's only one fish in here, and the whole, it's no fun. All right. $7.41, so that's not too bad. I've got to leave by about 8:30. All right, we might have to start fishing a bit. There's no tipped. Be nice if they just stayed on a bit better without having to glue them. Might just reapply some scent. So I'm just going to put a bit more scent on. Then I'm going to wipe the scent onto my socks, I reckon. What do you reckon? We just don't use scent. Better. Skip it and it. That's right. Not too confident here anyway. Alright, don't know what I'm doing really. I might just do this pole, see what happens. Are we doing the pole or... Oh, look at a bust up there. Oh, got him off the pole. He's not a bad one either. They're just fighting so hard. I think as well as that, these head shakes. I was looking over there because like there was a really good bow wave. It's not even a good fish. Jeez, he went hard though. Okay. Really need to get that up. See, it wasn't coming out. It wasn't coming out. There you go. Little one. See you, mate. Alright. Should be alright. It's got a little bit of abrasion. Okay. Oh no! need it. Little. Perfect hookup though. Come on. Have your mouth, mate. Oh. Fine. Okay, so that was on the pontoon. Okay. Oh no. No, no, no. Where is it? Where actually? Huh. I really didn't want to go. I wanted to like. Fucking disgusting. I don't know if that's on the pole enough. Soon see. Can't believe I didn't catch a fish. I prefer a wooden pole just because you've got more possibility of growth or something on it. So we'll go one. We really got to go home. That was terrible. That was just the worst cast ever. Wouldn't mind throwing a crank here too. That'd be cool. Okay. There we go. Didn't have the patience. Need the patience to let the lure hit the bottom. Very, very important. Have the patience. Don't be like me. Do not have the patience. This time of year, the fish will be pretty much on the bottom. So let the lure get there. There's no point in having it like halfway down. Terrible. I thought there was a fish on there for sure. Amazing. Anyway, so I've changed over to a baby vibe now. See how that goes. I might chuck on a I don't know what. We'll just do a few more and then we've got to go. Like we had to go half an hour ago. You sort of get a one or two fish and you know, I think, when did I go? I hit the hacking and only got one fish, one bust off, one pulled hook. So I've landed 3 today, which is better than caught hacking, but I'm still not that impressed. Jeez, he ate that on the drop. Come on, mate. Oh, he's got me. Come on, man. I definitely wasn't. That was a really big fish. I definitely wasn't, my drag definitely wasn't tight enough. I actually turned it like up a knob before I cast it, I think, or during the cast. I have to have a look back. That's the one I wanted. That's the one that I wanted. No, it's so disappointing. Just through like error, it's not through anything else but error. Like, have your drag sets, the first thing you need to do. You're on braid, you've got 5 pound. He came out though, that was the thing, he came out. It's amazing, like, you fish whatever lure you want to fish and then you come back to a baby vibe and it just absolutely got smoked. It's amazing how many times you get eaten on the drop. Anyway, stop crying. I know what I've done here. I'm on the Twitch Freak too. You're probably better off. What am I doing? You're better off on a. You'd definitely be better off on a brawler or something, a bit more structure. That was a good fish though. Here's a hake at us though. I just want to see the fish. I just want to look at it. I just want to. I don't know. So I swapped over to a Berkley Shimma shrimp. I can't even say it. I was going to give this a go. I've heard really good reports from an unnamed, well-known angler say that they did really well on it. So we'll see what happens. That was a cast. Pretty well. I really do like this braid. It's pretty cool. Oh, he bloody had it. That was amazing. Please don't foul. I think it may be. Oh, I got a touch then. I don't know why they don't just eat it though. Oh, fuck! Oh, that's... Oh, look at that. Oh, no. That's twice I've been roasted. I'm impressed with that Shimma shrimp thing. That's really cool. I'm going to put some more time into that as well.